Welcome to Joidala Fashion Guide. So today's video, I'm going to show you how I was able to achieve this sleeve using the half circle method. So if this is what you would like to learn on this video, continue watching and ensure to watch to the end. And don't forget to give me a like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. So I'm going to show you how you can cut a flutter sleeve. I don't have my camera stand here, so this is folded in a triangular form. I'm cutting both sleeves together. So what you want to do next is to check where you have the armhole length. My armhole length is 10, then plus seam allowance, that is 11. So you check where you have that. So I have that across here. So this is where I have my 11. Then I mark 1 inch. This is the same allowance, 1 inch. So it is on this line. So when you are marking, make sure that from here to here and from here to here, they are the same, so that you can have a straight line. Sometimes you can be tempted to slant like this. So make sure that when you measure from here to here, you will get the same thing. And you measure from here to here, you will get the same thing as when you also place the tape this way. You see the same 13.5, and then we rule a straight line. So from that straight line, from this straight line, now go up with the cap height. The cap height is 4 inches. So I mark my 4 inches. And then from the cap height to this same allowance, I'm going to share it into 4 like this. Okay, so first of all, I'll share it into 2. I'll share it into 2. I'll share it into 2. I'll mark it. Then what I have here, I'll share it into 2 again and mark. Then at that midpoint, the first quarter, I'll go up by 3/4 of an inch. So I'll look for a way to curve it to this middle. So this is the middle. If you have your French curve, you can also use your French curve. You see it. So curve it. Then for this down part, I just go down by 1/2 inch. And then from here, I curve it into this place, to the armhole. So this side will not be as deep as this side. So that by the time you measure, when you measure round like this, you will now have your armhole length. So when you measure like this, you see my armhole length is 10, so you now have your 10. So this is what we have. And then you mark the length of the sleeve. Okay, the length from here to here. Okay, so this point, make sure that the same length you have from here to here is what you also have from here to here. Okay, and the next thing is to cut it out. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe to the channel if you are yet to. So this is for both sleeve.